I want to make a video about this other stuff. Okay, listen, don't let these people put this stuff on your house. It don't work, as you can see. And right under here, if you can see, I got a bee's nest. I don't know if it's active or not, but I deal with this type of stuff all the time, dealing with this stuff where this stuff is not good. You can see all the vegetation growing out of it. It does not work. It's almost like you get a free can of snake oil. Honestly, this is the best way to remove this stuff. As you can see there, we have a wasp nest, yellow jacket nest, something nest. But don't let these people put this stuff on your house, man. Stuff is straight garbage. You see all that stuff that gets into the gutter? When you get this stuff put on your house, this stuff is ridiculous, man. Look at all this I'm taking out of here. Look at all this. This is unbelievable. As mentioned, I think you get a free can of snake oil when you buy this stuff. Anybody from the old school knows what that means. If you don't know what it means, ask me in the comments. But co-workers, listen, you know, if you ever decide to get this stuff put on your home, any type of filter protection, I know that leaf filter might be a little bit more expensive, but hey man, it's worth it, man, because this stuff lets all kind of trash in. So you guys see me put these things on a million times. Go ahead and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Thanks for being a co-worker, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. GoPro, stop recording.